Have you ever needed to easily remove the background from your picture on the fly and to save it as a high-quality pic? I got what you need. Open your internet browser and go to pixlr.com/remove-background. I've put the link in the description. Pixlr is an AI background removal tool. For now, it's completely free and works quick. Let's do this, baby. Click the plus sign to open an image or multiple images. Select your image. Click Open. Background removed. Real easy, you feel me? Let's try another image. Click Open Image. You can also fine-tune, meaning touch up areas that didn't get removed. Zoom into the area to touch up. Go to the right of the screen and click Fine-tune. In this case, click Remove. Adjust the brush size to smaller. Click around the area you need to remove. Done. Click the download button to save your pic to your computer. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the red subscribe button for you boy. 1.